Let me ask you something real. When's the last time you packed a suitcase, boarded a plane, or just took off for a weekend getaway without worrying about the price tag? If you're like most people, that answer is either a long time ago or never. Vacations have become a luxury, something we dream about but don't actually book. Why? Because travel is expensive. Flights, hotels, car rentals, food, excursions, it all adds up. But what if I told you there's an app that not only helps you slash travel costs, but also lets you earn weekly income just for sharing it? It's called Save Club, and it's helping everyday people travel more, spend less, and even make money while they do it. If you've been putting off that dream vacation, this could be exactly what you need to finally go. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to travel? Whether it's visiting family across the country, a romantic getaway, a Caribbean cruise, a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Europe, or just a peaceful weekend by the ocean, the desire is real, but so is the price. The average vacation today costs over $2,000 per person, and that's just the basics. And with rising inflation, travel is only getting more expensive. Most people look at travel deals, feel excited, then reality sets in. I can't afford this. Maybe next year. Let's just stay home. But you weren't made to work endlessly and never enjoy life. You deserve breaks, memories, and moments that recharge your soul. That's where Save Club steps in. What is Save Club? Save Club is a membership-based app that unlocks exclusive travel discounts and pays you weekly for sharing it with others. It's your secret weapon for affordable travel. With Save Club, you can book hotels and resorts at wholesale rates, get massive discounts on cruises and vacation packages, save on flights, rental cars, and airport shuttles, earn cash back on gas and dining while traveling, and access deals on theme parks, events, and excursions. It's not just another deal site. This is a members-only platform that delivers real savings for real travelers. And unlike other programs, there's no points to collect, no blackout dates, and no restrictions that ruin the fun. The vacation savings add up. Let's break this down with an example. You want to book a 5-night stay at a beachfront hotel. Regular price, $1,400. Save Club member price, $950. That's a $450 savings on one booking. Now add in a rental car discount, save $100. Gas rebates, save $50. Dining rewards, save $75. Total saved, $675. And remember, you still have access to those savings every month as a member. Now ask yourself, what would it feel like to get a dream vacation and keep hundreds in your pocket? That's the power of Save Club. What does it cost? To unlock these savings, you pay $19.97 per month. If you want to earn weekly commissions, you can add a one-time $60 per year affiliate fee. There are no hidden fees, no inventory, and no upsells. You simply get access to a premium discount platform and the ability to share it and earn. How do you earn while you travel? Here's where it gets even better. Save Club doesn't just help you save on travel. It helps you earn income that can pay for your next vacation. Here's how you earn. 1. Fast start commissions. Get paid weekly when someone signs up through your link. It's instant cash flow. 2. Matrix commissions. Earn from the growing team below you, even if you didn't refer everyone. It's a residual income structure that builds as the community grows. 3. Matching bonuses. You earn a percentage of your referrals' earnings, so when they succeed, you do too. 4. VIP upgrade bonuses. When others upgrade to Save Club's annual plan, you earn a bonus. Simple. 5. Monthly leadership pools. As your team grows, you can qualify to share in company-wide profits, just for helping others save and earn. So yes, you can book a trip, save hundreds, and still get paid that same week from sharing the app. It's a full-circle system for financial and personal freedom. Who is this for? This is for the family who wants an affordable vacation without sacrificing quality, the solo traveler who dreams of seeing the world without maxing out credit cards, the retiree looking for a way to enjoy travel and earn some extra income, the young professional who wants more than just a weekend staycation. In short, it's for anyone who wants to travel more, save more, and earn more. And no, you don't need sales experience. You don't need a huge following. You just need to be willing to share your link with friends, family, or even online. And let Save Club do the explaining. How to get started. Starting your vacation savings journey is simple. 1. Go to saveclubgo.com. You'll get immediate access to the free tour. No pressure, no risk. 2. See how the travel savings work. You'll be blown away by the discounts you can unlock instantly. 3. Choose your membership. Start saving for just $19.97 a month. And upgrade to earn if you're ready. 1. Book your next trip with confidence. Know you're getting the best deal and earning while you explore. You weren't made just to pay bills and stay home. Life is about memories, experiences, and adventures. If vacations have felt out of reach, they don't have to be anymore. With Save Club, you can afford to go places. and still come home with money in your account. Imagine booking your next trip at a discount, earning weekly while you're traveling, feeling proud that you're no longer stuck financially. This is what freedom looks like, and it starts right now. Take the free tour at saveclubgo.com. Book that trip, save big, earn weekly, because the world is waiting, and now you can afford to go.